OMG guys, welcome back to MarzArt, my fab friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 120 Ohuhu marker set. Oh my gosh. So this set is a really good one because it has a handle and you can carry it around really easily. And it also has a strap so you can put it around your neck and then carry it. And it also has an adjustable strap so in case you don't want to hold it, you can just hang it on your elbow or something. And it has a black case with the brand at the front. It's very small, this brand, and a zip that goes all the way around it. And inside, wow, look at all those colors. And by the way, this set did not come like this. I've sorted the colors into this, and I think this is helpful because if you want to sort it a different way, then you can do that. And it also is really helpful. So I've made groups of red and purple and pink, yellow and brown, and a little bit of green and blue, and some gray, and then gray and white and some light blues. It's also got some little holder in the middle of it, so that it doesn't move around the outside of the case and it stays that shape. It's also got a divider in the middle of it so they don't mix together. And this plastic sheet is for if you are using a thin paper, which you need to use this sheet so that the colors of these pens don't bleed through. So yeah, this is really helpful. And yes, it does stain a little bit, but I don't care because that's the whole thing it's used for. And it's also really good for mixing your colors. And in case you haven't got the color you really wanted, you can get two colors which you think will make a really nice color, and put some of it, and then you can mix it together with the Color Splendor and use it. So this is the Color Splendor. Each pen has got this metallic writing of the Ohuhu brand, and then it says art marker, and it has a chisel tip and a brush tip. It has the number and the name of the marker. Other pens will have the sort of a number plate for it. And this pen, it also has a wavy design. And this is what the chisel tip looks like. This tip is really useful for making sort of broad lines and outlines. But this one is more for hair. I find it's really useful. This is the brush tip. And you guys might think that it means a paintbrush or something, but it's not how that actually is. And those two little nibs is for when you want to keep your markers on the table, but then it ends up rolling off the table. So those nibs are there in case you move it, but it won't knock off because the nibs will stop it. This set has got a lot of colors. It's a full range, as you can see, and this is the black color. It's a really deep black color. And somehow this pen got a little ink splash in it. I think it leaked a bit or something, and it's like this for about 2 or 3 of the pens in the set. But for all my other sets, this never happened. I think this might just be too juicy. Yeah, it's a funny word to say, but I think they are. And this is what the pens will look like, and this is what the brush tip looks like with color in it. It looks pretty dark, but it comes out really light because there's a lot of ink in it. And this set also has pens which have a little gray plastic ring around them, around the marker, so you can tell if they are a brush tip or a chisel tip. If it's a chisel tip, it won't have the ring. And these are the swatch cards for all the markers. Yes, this is all the markers. And it took me about half an hour to do all of them. So this is the beginning of the rainbow, and that is, this one is the end of the rainbow. This is more dull colors, kind of. But they look really pretty. There's a lot of cool cyan colors, but there's, for some reason, a pink, which I don't know why that's even there. But yeah, this is a really cool set. You guys can get it. It wasn't even that expensive as Copic. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe because it's free. And bye bye.